Hey guys, all jack no trades here. It is day 12 of fixing the RX7, and today we are going to be removing the hood. Reason I'm doing this is I want to do some more stuff in the engine bay, and I just want to give myself more room. So for this, all you need is just a 10mm ratchet and socket. So to begin, just gotta prop this up. Get this little hold right here, put it in here. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4 10mm bolts that you just unscrew. So I think I'm just gonna start on this side, go over there. It should be pretty simple. I don't see anything else we should do. And after that, we can just remove the hood. Okay, we got the 2 bolts out on this side. We have that side left. Something I noticed is that while I'm unscrewing, the weight of the hood pushes down onto this bolt. So while you're unscrewing, the weight of the hood pushes down, making it hard to unscrew. To counteract that, you just sort of hold this side up, just move it up a bit while you're unscrewing to get this side out. This is this flappy right here. I'm done with this side. Let's get on to the other side. We just removed the bolts on this side using the same strategy, holding the hood up and unscrewing this way. Surprisingly, this thing supports itself. I'm still holding my hand here, but it seems like that little rod is doing most of the work. I'm gonna stop recording, use both my hands, and then just pull this hood up and then just set it aside. The hood is off. What I ended up doing is I actually removed this rod right here. While holding it, I held one hand on this side, the other on this side, and then just sort of just lift up, and I placed it right here on top of a box so it doesn't get damaged. That is all for this video, guys. Hope you have a good one.